How to make real estate brochure, stunning real estate brochure design. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be showing you the process on how you will be able to create amazing real estate brochure that you could share online or even print a physical copy of that you could give to other people. The process will be very simple and even beginners will be able to follow with what we are going to be doing. Now in today's video, we will be mainly using Canva. Canva is an amazing platform that will basically allow us to design any type of project, whether it's videos, presentation, or even social media posts. And brochures aren't excluded from that list. And so we will be utilizing this platform and showing you how you will be able to easily do a real estate brochure or even any type of brochure. So first things first, as you can see right now, I'm currently in our Canva, and make sure that you are logged into your account. The second thing that you're going to do is you're simply going to look at the center. Click on the search bar that you have here and simply search for brochure. By searching brochure, you will be able to see two types over here. There's a foldable type of brochure, wherein there's a content in the center, then you fold the paper, as you can see here with the design, or the trifold brochure. Now, depending on the type of brochure that you want, you could choose either of this option. For example, I want the traditional brochure, so let's check out this one over here. And you will be able to view different brochure templates. There's a lot of different templates over here with very unique designs. As you can see here, you have this one, and you have a color blue with pretty graphics, and you have aesthetics over here, a lot of different designs. And so there will be corresponding designs that will actually be really great for real estate. Now, brochures are meant to be informative, and so you will be able to see here there are a lot of different types of brochure that is actually very informative. And this one actually here is similar to a business, or rather a real estate brochure that you could apply or use, as you can see here, because it's focusing on the house or the place that you are going to be promoting. So that's one of the examples that we could check out later on. We could open this in a new tab just like this, and there's many more. For example, this one as well. Now, you don't really need to look for a brochure that looks like or to have elements of buildings on it. For example, this one, because recently, or the ones that I have been showing you guys, have photos of houses or like interior designs, but you're not limited by those type of brochure. If you want, you could go with something similar to a brochure like this one. If you enjoy or you really like this design over here, this color blue design, you could use that as well. It's all up to you. Everything on the templates that you will be able to see are actually modifiable, so you are not limited by anything. You can even not follow the entire design and derail from the original template and make your own unique template. Now let's view the ones that we have viewed over here. We have two over here. Now the first page, or like the front page of your brochure, is this first page over here, and the back page should be the second page that you have over here. You can see that the contents are actually available over here. You can see like real estate solutions, vision, mission, services, all of those things. It's already completed, and all you need to do now is to simply input and place your own images, your own company, your own data, and even your own information if you want. You could change a lot of things. So to get started, simply click on customize this template, which will of course redirect us to this page, wherein we will be able to modify the different content, as you can see here. As you can see, if I select everything, it is already, or every single element over here is actually an element that you could move around and play around with. So for example, I have this section where it talks about your website or your company, and I want the title to be on this side, like this best real estate agent. So I could select both of this by simply clicking shift and then the other element that you want to have, and simply moving it just like that. And then do the same thing with this one. Then I can move it on this side over here. something as easy as that. You could easily create modifications, and as you can see, as I move around the different elements, you will see like rulers, lines, stuff like that, which will be very helpful for making sure your different things are aligned. Now we have our images over here. Let's say I want to change our image to our own image, so I can simply select this, click on edit photo on the top left. Editing the photo will allow you to have some customization with the specific photo that you have. You could crop, expand, adjust. Everything that you have over here, you will be able to change. You could even use some Magic Studio elements over here. But to remove this and replace it, simply click on backspace. Especially when you're using a template, they would typically use something like this, like a frame, which someone or people will find under elements over here. And scrolling down, as you can see, frames over here. If you want to add more photos into your brochure, you can easily look through the different brochure or the images over here, like different frames, so that, for example, I would like to add a circle. I could add that over here. And now this could be a section for another image. There we go. Let's center it. Click on position. You could click on center, but right now it's already centered. So we have that. Now we could move this on the top for a bit. There we go. Now, to be able to modify or add the image, by the way, I forgot that. We could go under elements again. In the elements, you could basically search for anything. So I could search for, let's say, apartment. Something like that. Then under photos, you could already see it over here. Then you could simply drag and drop the photo that you want, or you could also view under uploads over here. So right now, let's simply drag and drop photos that we want over here. And maybe let's settle with this one over here. There we go. Now we have modified our photos. Now you can see this design that we have over here in the background. This one's element that has been put together. Anyway, here we go. You can see this. You can easily change the color of this by simply clicking on the color section over here on the top. You could change the color of the second color over here to maybe a light blue color, something like that, and you will be able to easily change it just like that. If you want to change the text, you can simply double click and simply type whatever your company's name is. So let's say over here, real estate champion, something like this. And as you can see, the letters doesn't really fit. So to be able to make it fit, simply select the text box and drag it along, and it will fit just like that. Then you can do the same thing over here. Put your own motto or your own message. Put your own contacts over here in this section, your company description, your website, and your solutions, your vision, missions, the typical things that you would need to input. And by following what I just did, you could easily double click it and change the different things. If you want to add different elements and different things into your brochure, you can easily do that by simply using the elements over here and doing a drag and drop. Now, if you're happy with your brochure, you could either ask Canva to print it for you, which will of course require some payment because they will send this specific brochure to you, or you can easily click on share on the top right and click on download, and then you can download it as a PNG, SVG, or any file type that you want. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.